tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line contains 6 alphabet characters. Along with every alphabet character, a single space character is appended. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here, while I less than 6. 6 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At the end of 6th iteration, I value will become 6. 6 less than 6, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we are going to use a nested while loop with a variable j is equal to 0, and while loop while j less than 6. At the end of every iteration, increase j value by 1. So here j value will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At the end of 6th iteration, j value will become 6. 6 less than 6, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. Here, the pattern is divided into two parts. First one is AAA, BBB, CCC, DDD, EEE, and FFF. The second part is BBB, CCC, DDD, EEE, FFF, and GGG. So to print those parts, we are going to use if condition. If j value is greater than 2, then print second part character starting from 66 plus I, and separate the alphabet with single space character. Else print the first part of the line character 65 plus I. Separate the alphabets with single space character. After printing the first line, we want to begin from the next line. For that, use this print method outside this nested while loop. Save the file. Run the file in the terminal py square.py. This is our expected square alphabet pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet square pattern.